Respected DGP and officer of all ranks, officers from Home Department, my dear media colleagues, I am deeply honored to have the opportunity to launch a year of discipline for the Mizoram Police. Today is not ceremonial. It is a defining moment. I thank the DGP and officer of all ranks for your dedication. This initiative reflects a serious commitment to strengthening the core of the policing in Mizoram. Let me state this clearly. Discipline is not an option. It is the foundation of policing. But beyond discipline, there is something even more fundamental, that is trust. Our society functions on an unspoken social contract. The people place part of their freedom in the hands of the state, and in return, we serve them with integrity, fairness, and discipline. This trust must be earned every day. Mizoram is one of the most peaceful states in our country. This is your pride. But he also brings a challenge. If taken for granted, peace can lead to complacency. When things are calm, urgency reduces. Standard can slowly relax, not by intention, but by habit. This is natural, but in policing, it is dangerous. Because the true test of a police force is not only how it performs in peace, but how prepared it is when peace is tested. A force that relaxes in peace may struggle in crisis. A force that stays disciplined in peace will always rise to the occasion. So let our peace not reduce our standards. Let it strengthen our professionalism. We serve a society that is aware, principled, and cooperative. People follow the law not out of fear, but out of belief. And that belief rests on one thing: trust. Without trust, authority weakens. Without trust, cooperation disappears. Without trust, policing becomes difficult. But with trust, even a small force becomes strong. And trust begins with discipline. Discipline in conduct, discipline in speech, discipline in decision making, discipline in character at all times. A police officer is never off duty in character. From the remotest outpost to the busiest street of Aizawl, discipline must be visible and consistent. Whether day or night, festival or emergency, the Mizoram Police must stand ready always. Let us remember, we are not master of the public, we are servants of the public. The uniform is not power, It is responsibility. Authority is not control, it is service. I have reviewed the model guidelines by PHQ. They are practical and necessary. They are not new burdens. They are a return to our best traditions. We have the structure, we have the manpower, we have the capability. What we need is consistency and commitment. And it must begin at the top. The leaders are disciplined, the force will follow. If leaders compromise, discipline will weaken. So I urge all senior officers, lead by example, demand accountability. Supervision must be real. Monitoring must be regular. Record must be truthful. Inspection must be meaningful. Because what gets monitored gets done. Let this not remain a slogan. Let it be seen in our conduct. Let it be felt by the people. Peace in Mizoram does not sustain itself. It is protected, maintained, and earned. And those who protect it must be disciplined beyond question. This is not just a program, it is a mission. Not just for a year, but for the future. If we act with sincerity, discipline will become habit. Habit will become culture. And culture will define excellence. And when that happens, one thing will be clear. People trust our police. With that conviction, I formally launched the Year of Discipline 2026-27. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and motivating words. To conclude today's program, I invite David H. Thangliana, MPS AIG Headquarters,